Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Edge closed unexpectedly error. This issue usually happens when Microsoft Edge crashes due to an outdated version or corrupted system files. First, update Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Help and Feedback, then select About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your PC. Next, repair Microsoft Edge through Windows Settings. Press Windows I to open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Edge and press Enter. Click the three dots next to Microsoft Edge and choose Modify. Click Yes if prompted, then select Repair. Wait for the process to complete. After that, restart your PC. Open Microsoft Edge again and check if the issue is resolved. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Edge closed unexpectedly error by updating the browser and repairing it through Windows Settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelphStack tutorial video.